Welcome to Tiny Teachers, where wisdom begins in wonder. Hi, I'm Likhita. You must have seen signs like sale up to 50% off or 30% more candy in each candy jar. I'm pretty sure you must have seen the 2% charging warning on your phone or tab. These are examples where we see the percent symbol. What is percent? Let's split the word into two parts, per and cent. Per means for every, like for every 1 rupee, I get 2 chocolates. We can replace it with the word per, like per 1 rupee, I get 2 chocolates. Cent is not the coin type of cent. The word cent is derived from the word centum, which is a Latin word meaning 100. So percent means per 100. Per 100 can be written as a fraction, with per as a numerator and 100 as the denominator. If per 100 can be written as a fraction, so can numbers with the percent symbol. In place of per, choose any other number. For now, the hashtag symbol. Hashtag percent is equal to hashtag by 100. Now, let's replace the hashtag symbol with some numbers. Let's take 89%. So 89% in fraction form would be, that's right, 89 by 100. And what would 3% be? Bingo, 3 by 100. We know that we can write fractions that have denominators as 10, 100, or 1000, and so on as decimals very easily. Since all of the fractions we have seen have 100 as denominator, let's give it a go. 25% would be, 25 by 100. Now convert that into a decimal. Good job! It's 0.25. We have 2 zeros in 100, so after the point we can only put 2 numbers. If the number has more than 2 digits, we take the last 2 numbers behind the point and the rest in front of the point. If we have 1 digit, we make the second digit a 0 and place it behind the point along with the digit in the number. Let's do some more. 1% in fraction form is, you're getting better by the second, it's 1 by 100. And in decimal form, good job, it's 0.01. Now let's look at a few numbers. 0%, how would you write that? Yup, it would be 0 by 100, which is 0. What about 100%? Yeah, it's 100 by 100. You can cancel out the hundreds and you get 1. What about 110%? Right again, it's 110 by 100. That is an improper fraction. You must have seen it used in places like your quote saying, I want 110% from this team. A is to B is a ratio, like 1:3 or any other ratio. If we have a ratio in which when you add A and B, you get the sum as 100, we can write it in percent form. For example, 30 is to 70. 30 plus 70 is equal to 100. So 30% plus 70% is equal to 100%. You want to buy a DS that is on 69% discount. How much is 69% in fraction form? That's right, it's 69 by 100. And what about in decimal form? Good job, it's 0.69. Let's say you have a candy bar, out of which you want to eat 97%. How do you find out how much of the candy bar you have eaten in fraction form and decimal form? For that, we have to convert 97% into fraction form. How much do we get? Yep, it's 97 by 100. Now in decimal form. Right, it's 0.97. Wait, we're not done yet. Now, James wants some as well. Since you ate 97%, he should get what's left. How much does he get? And what do we do to find out? Bingo, we subtract. We should subtract 97 from 100. But why do we subtract from 100? Well, because cent is 100. So, we divide the chocolate into 100 parts and take away 97 parts since we decide we're gonna eat that. Now, how much is left? Well, you're right again. James gets 3. Well, not just 3, but 3% since we divide the chocolate into 100 parts. We have two numbers here, 97 and 3. If we add them, we get 100. So we can write it as a ratio. What will the ratio be? Correct! The ratio is 97:3. Since James only gets 3%, it's kinda obvious that you get more. Yay! More chocolate for you! You've gone to your favorite food mart to buy a big bag of chips. You found out that there is a sale of 26% on a bag of chips that costs $200. How do you find out the cost of the bag of chips? To learn how to do that, stay tuned for the next video on percentage. Well, that's it for now. Until next time, bye bye!